Right now is a dangerous time for your overall fitness goals, and I'm going to give you some tips on how to stay on track during this holiday season. Number one is, if you are planning on getting to the gym, schedule that time into your day. Make sure you block out that little bit of time, show up regardless of whether motivation's there. You have to be disciplined in order to stay on track when you have all sorts of things going on. Family's probably busy. You're trying to get to different holiday event. Schedule the time, make sure you show up. Meal prep, try to stick to that the best that you can. I would pick a day that you know you're gonna have some free time available. We usually pick a Sunday and we schedule out about 2 hours. That way we can prep food, cook it, put it in containers for the week. Even if you know you're gonna be out of town later on and you have to shorten that, usually cook for 5 days, you're only cooking for 2 or 3, stick with that plan. It gets you in the routine. The other thing is, take the food with you if you need to. If you're gonna be out of town and you don't know what's gonna be available, travel. Hey, I can't make it to the gym for a week because I'm gonna be out of town. Terrible excuse. Email me, brett@crossfitportclinton.com. We will send you some travel workouts that you can do basically with body weight movements or limited equipment, like a dumbbell or something that you could find in a hotel gym. Control your carbohydrate consumption and prioritize your protein intake. At Thanksgiving, make sure you fill up your plate with protein first. Then fill it in with things that you can recognize in its original form. Green beans, mashed potatoes that are whole foods. Limit the quantities of the other foods that you might be inclined to overeat on. Your desserts, tasty treats that you can't really recognize in the original form. Those are going to be more processed foods. Those are going to be higher in added sugar. Try to stick to your plan the best that you can. You don't have to be perfect, but try to maintain that. Head toward your goal more times than not. You'll set yourself up for more success. The last thing I got for you is, if you fall off track, that's fine. We all do that from time to time. Just make sure you get back at it. The next meal, the next day, whatever that means, but don't let the snowball effect go in the wrong direction. Not everything's going to go perfect all the time. You have to kind of roll with that. You have to know that, expect that, and kind of plan it in. Your mindset is what's going to matter the most. Did you mess up? Yes, but how are you going to respond to that? Learn from it. Plan a little bit better the next time. Set a limit if you didn't set a limit. Ask somebody to hold you accountable, right? These are all things that you can do to keep moving in the right direction, to get 1% better every day. We're not asking you to make wholesale changes overnight. We want this to be sustainable. We want you to be able to still enjoy your life, but also keep in mind what's happening to your body when you're filling it with added sugars, processed carbohydrates. If you guys have any questions, drop those in the comments. Remember, you just got to get out there, move, focus on what you're eating. You'll keep moving towards your goals. Drop a comment below, like and subscribe to our YouTube.